Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're making that cool round shape you see in the thumbnail. It's a little bit of steps, but it's actually really simple. First off, you start off with, I'm going to remove the fill color and just leave the stroke for now. And grab my ellipse tool. I'm going to make a circle. Then grabbing my rotate tool, I'm going to hold down the Alt or Option key and click on this anchor point. This window will pop up. I'm going to go with a 20-degree angle and click on Copy. I'm going to now press and hold Command D till I've completed the whole circle. Now I'm going to select all my circles, grab the Shape Builder tool, and just click and drag to grab a little piece of moon. Right. Now I'm gonna just remove it from there. We can delete all of this. Let me place this here and I'll make it a little smaller. Now we want to swap the fill and the stroke and add a gradient color to it. We want it black and white, so let's go with a radial gradient. You can press G on your keyboard. This will pop up. You can now just click and drag and fix your gradient. I'll go with something like this. Let's go with like a really light on the inside and a black on the outside part. Once you're happy with it, you're going to grab your rotate tool again, hold down Alt or Option again, this time on this anchor point. Click. 20 degrees works fine for me. I'm going to click on Copy. And now, same as we did before, just press and hold Command D till you've completed the whole circle. And that's basically it. You get this really cool shape. You can bring it into Photoshop. That's what I usually do. Just copy it from here, Illustrator, paste it into Photoshop, and add a gradient map to it to change its colors if you want. Otherwise, you can manually change them from over here. You can change them all together. I think if you select everything and press G, as you can see, you've got all of your gradients and you can change them, but I prefer gradient maps in Photoshop, as you guys know. Anyways, that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please comment if you want any tutorial suggestions, and yeah, I'll probably see you guys in a couple of days. Thank you. Bye.